In this video, I'm gonna show you how to animate a shine effect in After Effects, so let's get started. Alright, I'm inside Adobe After Effects. To apply the shine effect to any logo, you need to go to the Effects panel and search for Light Sweep. I'll simply drag and drop it on this layer. You'll immediately see this shine effect. Let me zoom it so you can see it better. You can see some properties here. I'll increase the shine width, increase the light intensity. I'll also increase the edge intensity that you can see here. Let me actually turn on the black background. I'll set the edge intensity to 100. Set the edge thickness to 10. You can also change the shine color if you want. But I'll keep it to white. You can make it smooth or linear light. I'll keep it to sharp. I'll change the light direction to -40. You can also change the position of the shine, and that's how we are gonna animate it by keyframing its position. Let me change the background color. Go to the first frame where you want the animation to start. Click on the stopwatch to put the first keyframe. Click on the layer, press U, and you can see the keyframe here. Now you need to move the position of the shine until you don't see it on the logo. Move the playhead forward. You can either change the position from Effects panel or from down here. It's the same thing. Simply drag it and you can see it moving in the preview. Change the position of the shine to the other end of the logo. It will automatically place the new keyframe. Press space to see the preview. And that looks good. But to make it more appealing, I'll select both the keyframes. Press F9 to easy ease both keyframes. Then switch to this graph editor. Click here and change it to speed graph. Select the first keyframe and drag these handles to create a shape like this. Let's see the preview. What it does is, starts at a slow speed, then it will move faster and end again at a slow speed. It gives more of animation appeal to it. That looks better. Next, press the S key to open the scale property. I'll add a keyframe, go to the end, I'll add another keyframe, and I want it to scale very slightly as the animation is happening. Select both keyframes, press F9 to easy ease. Lastly, I'll add a sound effect to the animation to make it even better. Alright, let's see the preview. And that looks perfect. So that's it guys, try it yourself and share your experience in the comment section. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.